Hello, guys. I hope everyone is really great and well. So, in this video, I will show you some best productivity tool that it will definitely improve your day-to-day life productivity for regular work or office work or any kind of heavy related work. So let's get started. The first tool that I will show you, and this is LastPass. So LastPass is a password management tool where you can manage your all the password that you need to save for your day-to-day life and day-to-day tasks. Suppose you have multiple password and you have used tons of website, like you browse every day at least 50 website, and you need to log in to 50 websites, so it's quite impossible to remember 50 to 60 websites. So in that case, LastPass is a great option. Suppose you need to log in any site, like if you want to log in any new Gmail, in that case LastPass will definitely help. I know Google Chrome has a built-in option for password management, but what has happened that if we use Google Chrome password management, so Google password manager is not that level smart like the LastPass. So you can see if I use LastPass, so let's start with one email. Okay, just try to log in this email here, and I have already set up the password, and then it's automatically just log in. No question, no pain, no headache, no extra pain for remember every site password. Just remember one thing, that you need to make sure your master password must be saved somewhere in, and your default browser always need to be saved. And the second tool that I will show you, and this is also a great tool, actually I really recommend you, and this is AdGuard. So AdGuard is another interesting tool. So if you use AdGuard, it will just protect not from only ads, but it also protect you from lots of tracker. And you know that probably some guys already know AdGuard has some best labels of tracker and some filter, and its DNS protection is way more than better, and it's protect you, and it has parental control. But if you have child in your home, in that case it's definitely work better. And also some security anti-tracking protection, you can also use this. So this kind of tracker is really great, actually. So you can use AdGuard for your mobile also. So AdGuard definitely is a very smart and next level actually option. And the third thing that the third tool that I will show you, and this is probably you guys already know, and this is IDM. So IDM is basically not like that regular IDM. Definitely you need to buy the IDM from any trusted source, and you can see the IDM is registered. I do not use IDM for any free source or any crack. I really recommend always try to use IDM from any trusted vendor. Purchase from any trusted vendor. I will share some trusted vendor where you can buy IDM also. IDM is a very extraordinary platform, actually I really recommend always try to use IDM also. And second of all, if you want to scale your computer, or to organize your computer, or if you want to optimize your day-to-day life, I really recommend try to use Claude Courier. So let me just show you the Claude Courier power. Suppose I have multiple folder in my desktops, like all the folder is like messy and I do not organize anything. So recently, see, this folder is like nothing is organized, so everything is like messy and everything is like here to there. So just what I will tell to my Cloud Core, just organize the folder, and Cloud Core will definitely do my day-to-day life work very easily, very smoothly, and I really love using Cloud Core. I not so I didn't write a very complex prompt to Claude. I just write a simple prompt, and since I know I already optimized my whole desktop using Claude, so now I just need to optimize only the download folder that I used recently, like in my last 2 weeks. Do not use Claude Core to optimize my download folder, and let's see how much time Claude Core take, and then probably it may take around 5 to 6 minutes. In that time, Claude will definitely organize my whole desktop folder. So let's just wait for some time. Let's see for its result. So between that, I will show you another tool that it will also improve your day-to-day life productivity for your tasks and everything, and that is, so probably I have already downloaded, but I didn't so download it. So it's called driver booster. So I need to download the driver booster to show you guys. Let's see what Claude already done in the between. Probably Claude will take some extra time, but in between I will just download the IDM. Sorry, it's not IDM, driver booster. Probably it will take around 5 to 6 minutes to install the driver booster on my computer. So between that, I just in that time I will show you the Claude code, what Claude does in my desktop folder. Okay, and download history is really good, so I don't have any issue with the download. Between Claude just organize everything and try to optimize everything from its own. Let's install the driver booster and let's see what Claude does in between. Okay, probably Claude already do that. Already optimized my whole desktop download folder. No, it's just currently working on. Okay, let's see. Wait for some times. In between, I need to just install the IDM. Sorry, not IDM, is driver booster again. Just my slip of tongue, actually nothing else. Just install the driver booster. Sorry. And between see what Claude does in my download folder. Probably is working on my download folder, and between that I will just install it. Let's see, wait for some time. Probably Claude is still working on my computer. Probably it will take more than 5 minutes to optimize my whole day download folder, and in between is working on installing process. So just wait. So if you use Claude need my access to download folder, I just give the permission to Claude, and in between I just open download driver booster, nothing else. So just scanning the whole process, and I will show you one more shortcut regarding driver booster. If you need driver booster key, you will find the driver booster key in my video. So I will just give you the driver booster key. It will definitely increase your productivity regarding you want to upgrade your driver in your computer. Like, see, I have a lots of driver in my system. It's not possible to install everything from beginning. So if you use driver booster, it's possible that you will just, you can see I need to upgrade my sound and video controller. So I just pressed just upgrade button, then it will just definitely upgrade. So I don't need anything else to download the whole driver again and need to update it manually. So probably you guys think that if you have Windows Pro 11, so it will definitely automatically update, but I see that it didn't update it automatically. They definitely need to manually update. And also we need to see a lots of driver, like if you use GitHub and any kind of code editor like Microsoft Visual Studio. In that case, you need a lot of drivers, and if you do some extra coding stuff, in that case you also need a lot of driver. So I really recommend, if you use this tool, in that case it will definitely automatically upgrade and automatically install this kind of driver into your computer. You do not need to download everything manually and upgrade one by one in your computer. So it's a very great option, and it's a great pack in you will find in the driver boosters. So let's say it's just installing the necessary driver in my computer, and in between, let's say about my let's see in my download folder situation. So what's the situation? Let's see. So it's just install or it's just working on its. So I will give you the full control of my computer, and let's see how much time it will take. And then just working everything manually. I do not done anything from my end. Let's see how much time it will done into my. Let's see, just scan every file, nothing else. Probably it will take more time than I think. Running background actually it's try to optimize and try to gather in specific folder, and that's why it take time and scroll my whole computer actually. So I will get back soon, and let's see what and how this problem how Claude solved a whole issue. Okay, it has give me some recommendation short file only. Okay, this I'm go with the recommended what Claude recommend me, and wait for some time, and let's see what Claude does. Okay, probably it will take more time and it need my permission. Okay, now you can see everything is done, and everything is done. So you can see my download folder. There's a lot of messy file. Everything is just, you can see everything is just order. You can see my download folder. Everything is now organized, like all the PDF document, all the HTML document, all the application, everything is serial, and every file previously that is like unorganized and everything so messy, and this folder is in the this files is in the folder right now, nothing. So you can see there's a folder wired, and everything is in the folder, and everything is like organized by Clark. So this is the screenshot that I have. You can see there's a lot of screenshot actually, massive huge screenshot is organized. So the program, all the program I have this organized here, like all the presentation file. You can see all the pptx file is in one folder, all the scripts file folder is T, but let's see the other videos as well. All the videos is in one folder, so everything is like organized using Cloud by Cloud Code. So thanks to Cloud Code, and save my lot of time and energy as well. So hope you guys are really well, and you can just maximize your productivity using LastPass, AdGuard, IDM, and Cloud Code. So these are the best productivity tool that you can use in 2026 right now.